Good future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights at the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we got an interesting article here. If Bitcoin price hits 500,000, what would the price of Shiba Inu be? So ChatGPT is going to give us this prediction. Now, y'all know I like these AI predictions because this is just the beginning. You know, eventually they're going to become more and more accurate and help us with our investing decisions. So let's get straight into it. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, will undergo its next halving cycle in April of this year. Many consider halving cycles bullish as they reduce the number of coins created, reducing supply and increasing demand. Many analysts anticipate a bullish ripple effect on the crypto market after BTC's upcoming halving event. So what a lot of people, recognize happens is leading up to the Bitcoin halving, sometimes we see a lot of a nice rally, and leading up to the actual Bitcoin halving, there may be some sell-off for a couple months after that. And then after that, we start to see, during that downtime, that's when smart money is loading up the boat, going crazy, buying at what they feel is the lowest support level. And then a few months later, maybe in beginning of the fall, leading up to the fall, that's when we start to see things go really, really crazy. Now, this is not financial advice. It doesn't always have to happen this way, and it probably won't always happen this way. This is just what we've seen with history. So we try to look at history and try to determine what could likely happen again. So, there's been maybe 3 Bitcoin halvings so far, I believe, maybe 4. It's every 4 years. So since 2009, what is that? So about 3. This might be the 3rd one, I think. So 3rd or 4th. But with each one of these, we seen the same thing take place. Price starts to run up. The halving hits, price pulls back, leading to the fall. Price is at an all-time high. So Bitcoin, we're expecting to see something crazy, maybe September, maybe October 2024. Now, that does not mean we're not going to see any good movement until then. That's just when people in the markets are expecting to see all-time high prices on Bitcoin. So keep that in mind. So what would Shiba Inu be when that takes place is what we're trying to find out here. So Bitcoin's upcoming halving event, other cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu may also witness a rally as a consequence of the halving event. That's what we call sympathy. When other plays are doing well, people start to take profit from the top plays, and that money starts to trickle down into smaller plays like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, etc. Many analysts anticipate Bitcoin to reach a new all-time high of 500,000, fueled by the approval of 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs by the SEC in January and Bitcoin's halving in April. So if you don't recall, not too long ago, last month, the SEC has finally approved 11 different spot Bitcoin ETFs, meaning Bitcoin is now a legitimate asset in the in the bigger picture. Now institutional money can start to invest into Bitcoin. And that's what we've been waiting to see for a very long time. And now we got Janet Yellen, Treasury Secretary, demanding that there be some type of regulation around crypto. So right now is the perfect storm brewing up to see, how this takes place. We already seen what happened, in the markets in 2020, 2021. We seen, what can happen. Every time there's a bull run, usually things go higher. So Bitcoin reaching 68,000, I think $100,000 price target is a small level price target for a new all-time high. Now, of course, it's going to continue to break, 70,000, 75, 80, 85. So it's going to have to fight its way up there. But I can easily see Bitcoin reaching around 250K. Kathy Woods from ARK Investment is predicting around a $1 million Bitcoin per Bitcoin. So, exciting times ahead of us, y'all. So according to the popular AI chatbot ChatGPT, if Bitcoin hits 500,000, Shiba Inu's price could reach 0.0002 to 0.0005. So 3 zeros and a 2, 3 zeros and a 5. Reaching 3 zeros and a 5 from current levels would translate to a growth of 5,500%. So that doesn't sound too far off if you ask me. I didn't do the math or anything like that, but just, looking at it, it sounds about right. So Google's Bard AI, on the other hand, paints a more bearish picture of the meme coin. According to Bard, if Bitcoin hits 500,000, Shiba Inu's price could surge between 0.1234495 and 0.12349 40990. So at least they gave us, breaking all-time high. Their low level, their bearish case is 40495, and their bullish case is 40990. So that's a little bit above our last all-time high. I think we reached at 8845. So 8845. So they're giving us slightly a few points above that. And I don't know, man. They could be right because I could see, the markets always do something funny. Usually what we expect it to do and how we expect it to play out, we usually see what we expect to see, but it doesn't play out the way we all the time expect it to, if you get what I mean. So I'm not sure how this will go, but I'm more leaning towards that 302 side, 305 side if we see a $500,000 Bitcoin. Because remember, that's going to be super bullish. That's going to attract a lot of people into crypto. That's going to make the OG Shiba Inu investors want to buy even more SHIB. That's going to, create a whole new wave and lane of influencers and, just media surrounding crypto. So I think it's going to be very, very bullish. But Changelly, on the other hand, anticipates Shiba Inu to reach a maximum price of 0.12341499 in 2024, a rise of about 68% from current levels. Telegram is more bullish on SHIB, predicting the asset to reach a maximum price of 40571 in 2024, a rise of over 540% from current levels. So let me know what y'all think about these price targets. Do you think if Bitcoin hit 500,000, $500,000, do you think it would be more likely to be around that 3 zeros, 2 level, 305, or 4 zeros, 495, 4 zeros, 990? Let me know in the comment section. That's all we got for this one. Also, right now, my courses are bundled up together. If you want to take advantage of this very, very special offer, the offer is so special, you got to email me to even get the offer. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Trust me, you will not regret it if you're one of these people that want to take your investment knowledge to the next level. If you know crypto or you want to get a better understanding of it, the Crypto 101 course is available. If you want other options like options trading, for instance, I got that stock options trading course available, teaching you how to make money in the markets Monday through Friday, whether the market is going up or down. It teaches you different strategies, different, all the things you need to be a successful options trader. So tap in, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Also got the technical analysis course if you would like to learn how to interpret the data on the charts, how to do technical analysis, to learn what the indicators mean, what the patterns mean, all together to make better informed decisions. Reach out to me ASAP, DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.